Simply movement. Transfer the leg, transfer the body, the knee, spread the bend, hop, and back. Transfer, hop, and close, E. One more. Transfer body, use the knee. At this moment, spread the band forward and back. Yeah, they touch the floor. Heel, heel, yeah. Now straight the leg, knee, back to the beginning, heel, straight the leg, transfer, knee, touch, heel, heel, the bent knee, straight, heel, straight, and back, hop. If you will want to move faster, do not forget, take this. First, the touch, heel, straight. Not like that. Because after that, everything will be together. Hop and click, hop and click. Look, you see? If I will cut everything, it will be like that. Transfer on the straight leg, knee, spread the band, then the band exercise, then touch the floor. First is the heel, the bend, still bent knee. Now straight, then knee, close, heel, straight, transfer, knee, touch, heel, straight and bend, straight left leg, knee, close, heel. Click, and together, everything together. Now, when you want to use faster the movement, you will control like that.